This is a real wow home that features a nice open floor plan, and great natural lighting. New interior paint, new carpets, new luxury vinyl plank flooring, new solid surface countertops, stainless steel kitchen appliances, LED lighting inside and out plus updated electrical outlets and switches. All bathrooms have been updated with new vanities, faucets, toilet and mirrors. Must experience the backyard oasis. Multi-level composite decks, patio with 3-pump spa and UV purification. The upper-level deck off master suite is very private and just the right spot for that morning cup of coffee. The lower level makes a great home office or could be a nice family room. The backyard is fully fenced and features a large storage shed on concrete pad, could be small RV spot behind double gate, and great flower beds. Home has the Nest smart door lock, doorbell, alarm.